back again on my way to go get a mod early in the morning on my day off. So, scenery on the turnpike going down. Update you when I grab it. Alright, here we go. Picked up an SMG steering wheel with the airbag. Gotta redo this. It's a simple wrap. Then I'll take everything off. Gotta figure out if I can redo that. So, probably paint this some color. Well, it's in pretty good shape. SMG paddles. They pretty warped from being touched. So I may repaint those. Paint those the same color as this. So we'll see. I'm about to clean it up. Waiting for the clock spring thingy to come in. SMG wheel. All the buttons. All the buttons cool. So, getting there. Getting there. So rewrap. Just disassembling this. Somehow, some way. This should be easy. The paddles. I don't know. May order the extended ones. But that's it. Got it for a bang up deal. So hope everything goes in properly. See you back.